In this video, we are going to install IBM Cognos BI Developer Edition 10.2.1 in our Windows 8.1 machine. This is my Sankti and thanks for tuning in. Feel amount. In this video, we are going to install IBM Cognos BI Developer Edition 10.2.1 in our Windows 8.1 machine. First, I'm going to paste my installation here. My installation is available in my D drive, so let me open my installation. I'm going to my installation is and then I'm going to right click and I'm going to extract all. Yes, extract everything. It is going to take some time. C4H, and then I'm to click on this is setup.exe. If user account control ask for your permission, I'm going to click on yes. Click on next. Read the entire terms and condition. If you are fine, select I agree and then click on next. And select the installation directory. I don't want to change the installation directory in VM. Then I'm going to click on next. And yes, this folder is not exist. So yes, create this folder. And shortcut, not going to change anything. Click on next. And for Windows security alert for Java, yes, access both the network, allow access. And password, I'm going to type admin here and then I'm going to enter my password 123456 123456 123456 and then I'm going to click on next. For IBM Cognos Express, I'm going to use same password 123456 123456. Click on next. Assembly, next, and wait for the installation to complete. Our installation is almost done. I'm going to click on finish and now I'm going to launch manager console. Okay, it is by default started, I think. Yes, it is started. And I'm going to say do not okay, and here we are going to click on finish. And now the manager console provides the ability to install, configure, and administer the main components of IBM Cognos Business Intelligent Developer Trial Edition. So let me show you the logs file. The manager console installing the core installation now. So as per logs, the Business Intelligent Developer Edition services started and now the core is installed. Once this is done, then we are able to use IBM Cognos BI Developer Trial Edition. Finally, installation is completed successfully.